The best exterior upgrades are the ones that improve the home visually, but also the function. Hi, I'm Brigette Romanek. I've partnered with Power Home Remodeling to answer some questions about exterior home design. The exterior is the first emotional impression you have of a home, so I love to create continuity between the exterior and the interior of the home. And so that means the materials, the windows, the entry, the landscaping, it's all part of the home's story. There's an emotional connection and tone even as you're approaching the house. And so I love things like natural light. I love greenery. I love well-designed windows and doors. I genuinely do because I think it's part of the story. Some people want homes that are restorative. Some people want homes that feel really like it's taking care of them as well as them taking care of it. The best design solutions are the ones where beauty and performance work seamlessly together. And exterior decisions are part of that. They affect comfortability, energy, durability. It's all part of the home's experience and my client's experience. I think homeowners are becoming much more intentional about what they're doing and aware about everything that they're using, materials inside and out. And that's really important. And Power makes sense for this reason. And their focus is on performance, but also design. So you can't beat that. Oh my gosh. I immediately notice, proportions, light, windows. Dramatically contribute to a home. The shape, it's the natural light, it's the mood, the energy. You want it all to feel connected to the building it's sitting within. And Power emphasizes performance and aesthetics. Climate influences every exterior decision. Window quality and placement can transform a home, not only the functionality, but even the look. In warmer climates, the ventilation, shading, and reflective materials naturally improve comfortability and efficiency. In colder climates, energy-efficient windows, insulation, and being durable are essential and really smart investments in your home. I always encourage my homeowners to prioritize timelessness over trends, the way that it functions for them, and the way that it functions in the environment. All of those things are hugely important. So windows, doors, roofing, and materials, that all changes how the home lives in that climate. So all very important. Social media always shows the final result without showing the realities, the practical side of how it all gets done. I always encourage clients to focus first on the upgrades that have the biggest impact on the home. Good design isn't necessarily about spending more and more and more money. It's about making thoughtful design decisions. What's really fantastic is once we've picked all the materials, the exterior materials, now it's time for the icing on the cake, and it's the door. I love a good door. I think that is the transition. That's the moment you're going from the exterior to the interior. And so for me, that really sets up that moment. And what I love about Power is I can show them a door and I can say, I want this door, but I want this door in this color, and I need this door in this size. And they look at me and say, okay, we can do that. I love that. Thank you, Power.